Tyrannosaurus, the most ferocious slaughterer in Earth's history. But did you know that before being a cold-blooded hunter, this monster was a parent with deeper maternal love than anyone else? Even the ultimate apex predator began its journey in front of a massive mound nest. The mother Tyrannosaurus used her colossal body to block other scavengers, fiercely protecting her eggs with utmost care. As time passes, breaking through the hard eggshells, the hatchlings finally step into the world. Covered in soft, fluffy down feathers, the newborns closely resembled modern-day birds. To keep her young safe, the mother begins moving them to a new sanctuary. The hatchlings follow her gigantic footprints, protected from the threats of other carnivorous dinosaurs lurking in the forest. As the hatchlings grow, the mother sets out for a serious hunt. Tyrannosaurus possessed exceptional binocular vision to look straight ahead and a phenomenal sense of smell capable of tracking scent from miles away. Today's target is the heavily armed Triceratops. Despite her massive size, the mother silently slips through the forest, seeking a vulnerability in her heavily fortified prey. Ambushing in a sudden burst, the mother bites down precisely on the Triceratops' neck. Her crushing bite force, reaching up to 5 tons, the strongest in terrestrial history, instantly shatters bone and thick hide. With the hunt successful, the mother calls her young to the carcass. The hatchlings, whose teeth and jaws are still weak, eat the tender portions of meat torn away by their mother to gain vital nutrients. This communal feast is more than just feeding. By watching their mother, the young naturally learn how to dismantle prey and acquire the survival skills needed to endure the brutal Cretaceous environment. Leaving her well-fed young behind, the mother strides majestically across the land once more. Perfectly balancing her weight with her massive tail, every single step radiates the supreme dignity of a king.